So how do you force a route on Google Maps on the iPhone? So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get us started. So if we get inside the Google Maps, let's say that I want to start the navigation from, for example, Berlin to Paris, right? To Paris, right? Of course. So I'm going to click on Paris as such, choose the starting point to be Berlin, Germany. And you can see that the route that it gets me, we have the car selected. So you can see that it is like a normal route and gives me like two options. But let's say that I specifically want to pass through Amsterdam, right? So how can I force a route to go through there? So the way I can make the app go through Amsterdam, for example, is by clicking on the three dots at the top and choosing the edit stops, right? So now you can see that we have the Berlin and Paris, but we also have a third stop, which I'm actually going to move in between those two and choose this to be the Amsterdam, right? So as you can see, now I made the navigation go through this city. You can see that this is the beginning, this is the point A, and this is the ending point. The point B is Paris. Obviously, it is taking a little bit longer than it was before. It's not the most efficient route anymore, but since we want to go through that city, this is how we need to make it work and behave, because that's how we can add it. And of course we can add more stops along the way. Let's say that even before reaching the Amsterdam, we want to take a road trip and we want to go to, I don't know, Copenhagen, right? We're going to put it in between there too. Add this to the map, right? And it's going to be like a little bit of a different and interesting route. Is actually going to come back on the same one, but that's how you can control it and make sure that the app actually gets you through a specific place. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts about it below in the comments, and I'll see you in the later videos as well.